Does your child make a grinding sound while sleeping at night? Many parents get worried when they hear their child grinding their teeth during sleep. The first thing they often think is it because of worms? But that's not always the reason. Teeth grinding in children can happen due to stress and anxiety, change in sleep patterns, dental alignment issues, and normal growth and development stages. If it continues, if it happens frequently, it is good idea to consult a healthcare professional. Early assessment can help to identify the real cause and provide the peace of mind.